How to move Fitbit account to Google account. In this video, I'm going to provide you details in additional description for you to be able to move your Fitbit account into Google. So on the old version of Fitbit, what you want to have to do is just go into your settings from your Fitbit application and choose on Start Transfer and choose on Google. But for 2024 up until now, 2026, moving forward, it was actually or officially moved automatically to Google. So say for example, you pull up the application of Fitbit. If you search for Fitbit from the Google Play Store, you will have Google Health slash Fitbit. So again, it will automatically be synced or it will automatically be moved into your Google account if you're using the old version. If not, you can go back and access Fitbit if it's still available on your end. Tap on the three lines, then choose on login. And from here, you just need to choose on continue with Google. And from there, you just need to use on the old Google account or the same Google account that you would like Fitbit to be moved into Google. And that's it. That's how you move Fitbit account to Google account.